G'day guys, and welcome to another episode. We are back on the road again, thankfully. We're just going to be touring the Mid North Coast of New South Wales up until Christmas. So yeah, we're pretty excited just to see a few places that we haven't seen in this area. We're specifically sort of touring from Crescent Head up towards Coffs Harbour. So just a small part of the Mid North Coast, but some beaches that we haven't been to before. We've got this top little campground that we found here. This one is called PlayStation. So PlayStation is just outside of a small little Mid North Coast town called Gladstone. Now, because we're getting into the peak season now, as you can imagine, campgrounds, caravan parks, they're starting to get more and more expensive. So rather than paying sort of 55 to 60 bucks a night or more, we found this little place and it is 25 bucks a night. Unreal, eh? Yeah, so check that out. It's just a beautiful green, well-kept lawn that you get to camp on. And yeah, we're just pulled up here right beside this beautiful little lagoon. Got fireplaces, fire pits if you want to have a fire. The guy who owns the place, Ross, he supplies firewood if you want to. You just got to purchase it from him, of course. And this is the outlook. How good's that? 25 bucks a night, you can't go wrong, guys. So yeah, if you're on the Mid North Coast of New South Wales looking for a cheaper option as opposed to, say, somewhere in Southwest Rocks or down at Crescent Head, and you're looking for somewhere in between, this is the spot for you. Bloody awesome. PlayStation. To find another campground where you can follow a plane down a runway. Just a short drive away is the beautiful little town of Southwest Rocks, well renowned for its great fishing, beautiful beaches and its pristine clear waters. Alright guys, yeah, the Savo, we're heading down to Hat Head. Hat Head is a sleepish little town. Even Ross, the guy who runs our campground, he said wind your clock back about 10 years. We have been there before. It's a beautiful little spot, so we're going to go and spend the arvo down there on the beach.
So most of the area around Hat Head is a national park, but luckily for us, the beach area is not classed in the national park and is actually an official dog beach. So all three of us can go and enjoy a swim this afternoon, which will be very welcome because it's pretty warm today.
So the other really cool thing about coming to Hat Head is you can go on the beach down here. So we got ourselves a beach permit yesterday. So yeah, we're going to deflate the tyres and head out on the sand and find ourselves a nice spot so we can have a swim.
First time using the new awning, hey?
Yeah, first shot on the new awning, eh? It looks pretty good.
It does. Very handy.
Yeah, I'm really stoked with it, I think. Yeah, it took a battle to get it off the guy that we bought the car from. But yeah, we eventually got it, and first opportunity to use it. So it's exactly the reason why we got it for. Plenty of shade while we're down here in the sun because it is stinking hot today. I can't wait to get in the water. So this morning, the owner of the PlayStation campground where we're staying at, Ross, he has offered to take me up in one of his recreational planes. He's a bit of a aviation enthusiast, and he's got a couple of planes that he flies around from here. He's got his own personal airstrip on his property. We're just waiting for a bit of the fog to lift here this morning. It was a bit of a shock waking up. There was just fog everywhere around us, but it's starting to lift now. So I'm just waiting for him to give us the thumbs up, and we're going to get to be able to see places like Crescent Head, Hat Head, Southwest Rocks, all that type of stuff right from the sky above. So I'm pretty pumped about it actually. It's going to be pretty awesome. Right, morning guys, we've finally got a clear sky, and Ross has given us the thumbs up to head up into the sky. So yeah, this is Ross, our pilot. We're going up in one of his unique aircraft. It's a Seafarer. Oh no, Sea Ray. Okay, so it's a pretty unique plane. Only one in Australia, Ross, is that right? This model is the only one in Australia. So, all right, we're about to climb in, and I'll see you in the sky.
How was that?
Thumbs up from me. That was unreal.
Very good.
Yeah.
When they do a trial instructional flight, pretty much I give them a 15-minute brief, tell them what's what, and then once we get airborne, I pretty much hand them the control, and then I tell them what to do, and then I give them a demo, and then after that, they're flying. They just don't get to park it.
Yeah, right. Fair enough. G'day guys, unfortunately we've had to change our travel plans a bit. We've cut our time short up on the Mid North Coast of New South Wales.
Yeah, we've had a bit of a family situation and yeah, just some personal circumstances mean we're going to spend a bit of time with family over Christmas.
Yeah, so we're not exactly sure when we're going to be back on the road at this stage, but we just really want to thank everyone for tuning in to us. And hopefully in the not too distant future we'll be back out there on the road and being able to bring some really good episodes of our travels to you. Last of all, we just want to wish you all a really happy and safe festive season. Ciao.